Just a minute, ladies and gentlemen. I think something is happening.
For over a year now, work within our team has been proceeding in order to bring perfection to the crudely conceived idea of a machine that would work to not only supply polymorphic ionization for use in unilateral phase detectors, but would also be capable of automatically synchronizing algorithmic toner particle inductorators. Such a machine is the turboprintabulator. Basically, the only new principle involved is that instead of the paper being attracted to toner by a combination of electrical muonic gravimetrons and photonic streams, the toner is placed by the modial interactions of magnetoreluctance and capacitive directance. The original machine had a drum assembly of prefabulated amylites surrounded by a malleable logarithmic photoredactor in such a way that the two spurging lasers were in direct line with a pentametric mirror. The latter consisted simply of 6 hydrocoptic marble veins, so fitted to the ambiphasient lunar vein shaft that toner fumbling was effectively prevented. The main fuser was of the normal Lotus O delta type, placed in panadermic semibolate salts in the stator-roller assembly. Every 7th roller being connected by a non-reversible thermic pipe to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the grammeter. 41 manistically placed toner cartridges were arranged to feed into the rotor slipstream a mixture of high S-value phenylhydrobenzamine and 5% remnative tetraiodone hexamine. Both these toner particulates have specific pericosities given by P equals 2.4 Cn, where N is the diethylsiol evolute of retrograde temperature phase disposition and C is the Cimadelli's annual grillage coefficient. Initially, N was measured with the aid of a metapolar pilferometer, but up to present date, nothing has been found to equal the transcendental Hopper datascope. And of course, software engineers will appreciate the difficulty of nubbing together a regurgitative per-well loop and a superamnative Wiener sprocket simulator. Indeed, this proved to be a stumbling block to further development until, in 2009, it was found that the use of a pre-programmed recipe generator driving anhydrous nagling pins enabled a kipdynastic boiling shim to be tankered. The early attempts to construct a sufficiently robust spiral decommutator failed largely because of lack of appreciation of the large quasi-piatic stresses in the gremlin studs. The latter were specifically designed to hold the roffet bars to the spam shaft. When, however, it was discovered that the wending could be prevented by the simple addition of teeth to socket, almost perfect running was secured. The operating point is maintained as near as possible to the Gaussian HF wavelength peak by constantly frommaging the bituminous spondrils. This is a distinct advance on the standard nibble sheave in that no Dramic oil is required after the phase detractors have remissed. Undoubtedly, the turboprintabulator has now reached a very high level of technical development. It has been successfully used for operating no-fur trunnions. In addition, when a barescent score motion is required, it may be employed in conjunction with a software-controlled reciprocating dingle arm to reduce sinusoidal depleneration. As can be imagined, this innovation does not come cheap. But I am sure that MrvL and MrvL's customers can afford it. And we'll all be looking for our bonus checks.
Great.
For over a year now, work within our team has been proceeding in order to we have prefabulated amulite surrounded by the main fuser was of the normal Lotus O delta type placed to the differential girdle spring on the up end of the grammeter.
You had to start laughing, and you messed him up.
Because I can't get it's too long.
Once his voice started cracking, I couldn't help it.
41 manistical. How did I say this? All right, seriousness on the set.
If you say at the end, right?
This is going to be on YouTube. It's software-controlled reciprocating.
See, you